Cooking time. Let's make a peanut butter and condensed milk toast. Hi, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make a delicious toast with peanut butter and condensed milk. This is a simple and tasty snack that you can enjoy any time of day. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is gather your ingredients. You will need a slice of bread, peanut butter, and condensed milk. Step 2. Toast your bread until it is golden brown. Step 3. Spread peanut butter on top of the toast. You can use a knife or a spoon to do this. Spread the peanut butter evenly so that it covers the entire slice of toast. Step 4. Drizzle condensed milk over the peanut butter. You can use as much or as little as you'd like, depending on your taste preferences. Step 5. If you'd like, you can sprinkle some cinnamon on top of the condensed milk to add extra flavor. Step 6. Finally, enjoy your delicious toast with peanut butter and condensed milk. Congratulations, you've made a yummy toast with peanut butter and condensed milk. This is a perfect snack for any time of day, whether you're looking for a quick breakfast or an afternoon treat. Enjoy!
Let's look at some useful verbs. Gather. This verb means to collect or assemble things together.
Gather, gather. Let's gather some rocks and shells from the beach to make a pretty display.
Spread. This verb means to apply a thin layer of something over a surface.
Spread, spread. Can you help me spread the jelly on this slice of bread?
Drizzle. This verb means to pour a thin stream of liquid over something.
Drizzle, drizzle. Can you drizzle some honey over your toast?
Toast. This verb means to cook bread until it becomes crispy and brown by exposing it to heat.
Toast, toast. I like to toast my bread in a toaster oven. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. To accelerate your learning, join our Patreon now.
We can't wait to see you there.